Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to a laptop via Bluetooth. First, make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged and ready for pairing. Next, activate Bluetooth on your laptop through its settings. Keep your headphones within a few feet of your computer for the best connection. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and successful pairing experience, ensuring everything is ready to go. Now, let's focus on your laptop. Open your system settings and find the Bluetooth and Devices section. You'll see a toggle switch for Bluetooth. Ensure it's in the on position. Once Bluetooth is active, look for the Add Device option. Clicking this will prepare your laptop to discover new Bluetooth accessories, including your Sony headphones. With your laptop ready, select Bluetooth from the Add a Device menu. Your laptop will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Within a few moments, your Sony headphones, identified by their model name, should appear in the list. Simply click on your headphone's name to start the pairing process. This step establishes the connection. After clicking your headphone's name, your laptop will display a confirmation message, indicating successful pairing. Your Sony headphones will now show as connected in your Bluetooth device list. To ensure everything is working perfectly, play some audio from your laptop. You should hear the sound through your headphones, confirming a complete and functional connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.